Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your photos to Google Drive safely and automatically, follow these step-by-step instructions to preserve your memories. Step 1. Download and install the Google Drive app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Step 2. Open the Google Drive app and tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Navigate to the Settings option from the menu. Step 3. Enable automatic photo backup by tapping on the backup settings and selecting the option to back up photos and videos. Choose whether to back up over Wi-Fi only or also using mobile data. Step 4. Select the quality and size for your photo backups. You can choose high quality, which provides free unlimited storage with slight compression, or original quality, which counts against your Google storage quota, but preserves full resolution. Step 5. Organize your photos in Google Drive by creating folders for different events, dates, or categories. This makes it easier to find specific photos later and keeps your cloud storage neat and accessible. Step 6. For computer users, download the Google Drive desktop app, sign into your account, and set the folder containing your photos to sync automatically with Google Drive cloud storage. Step 7. Verify that your photos are uploading correctly by opening Google Drive on a web browser and checking that recent photos appear in your drive. Look for the backup status in the app to confirm completion. Step 8. Free up space on your device by using Google Drive's option to delete local copies of backed up photos, keeping them safely stored in the cloud while freeing device memory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.